Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a 2-month review on my lace closure. I feel like I just did the unboxing and then I totally forgot to actually film my take and review on it once I made my wig for my closure. So I felt like, you know what, might as well do a 2-month review because I feel like that is more important. Most people like to see the status and like where a closure is at once it's already been like worked in and worn and whatever. Anyways, I'll do just a quick backstory and let you guys know a little bit about my wig. So I made this literally right when I had filmed and dropped that video, so in end of November. So it is now early January and mid-January. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because I went on vacation. So I was in Uganda for 3 weeks, and throughout that, obviously, like, it's dusty as hell, like dusty, where you just need to shower twice a day and wash your hair literally every few days. So I ended up washing my wig quite a bit, and I never usually want to do any excess like things to my wig because that's obviously what happened, like that's where the hair comes out of the closure. Sorry, the frontal. I have a frontal. So I didn't want to do so much tugging and wear and tear and everything to my closure because I want it to last as long as obviously possible. So I felt like it was a significant amount of time now that I've washed it so much that it was enough for you guys to be able to see like, oh, like how's it holding together, like is this actually worth the purchase and whatever. Anyway, so at this point I'm going to do a close-up, but I'll kind of will just comb through right now. This is like how I have it today, but this is generally how my parts are. Cool thing is obviously it's a frontal and it's freestyle, so I can just do and part it wherever I feel like it. Obviously I have to still add a concealer I usually actually add my contour color to make sure it blends well, but generally I'm extremely happy. Like there aren't any patches or anything like that. I'll leave like a close-up clip here, but I'm actually really happy with this hair. Like I had said in my last video, I got it in Unice Hair, and I didn't realize Unice Hair was an AliExpress brand. So when I went on AliExpress, I was kind of like, ooh, like I don't know. All I've heard is horror stories. I've barely heard anything good about anything coming off of that website, hair related, and I'm really picky about my hair. I want it to look like generally it's my hair, you know what I mean? Like just generally as best as possible my own hair, and also to be able to curl it, straighten it, and do everything that I would normally do like as though it was my own hair. So I'm definitely saying I'm pleasantly surprised and really happy with how it still is intact to this day. So this is a 2-month, like I said, about a 2-month review of the frontal, and I feel like frontals don't generally last that long. Now that I actually know this and realize they're not supposed to last more than a year, so I don't know how people have wigs for so long, but supposedly it's supposed to only last like 2, 3, 4 is like 4 months is like, ooh, you really wore out your closure, like you're lucky. So I don't have any patches yet. Life is good so far. I'm still looking like it's my hairline. Life is still good. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll do probably the next video I'll do is a 4 months on this hair to let you guys know basically how it looks. So the next video that I'll definitely do will be a 4-month review to let you guys know how it looks, because last time I feel like that's when I started to see patchiness and whatnot coming from my last closure. So we'll kind of do like a comparison and see how things are going. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.